Hi, my name's Lizzy, and Dr. Eric is who did my veneers, and he made this process beyond easy for me, because when I went into this, I was like, I feel like somebody's just gonna butcher my mouth, pretty much. Like, they're gonna make my teeth just not fit my face, and he did the complete opposite. He made my smile way better than I could have ever imagined, and I'm beyond grateful that I came across him, and I'm happy with everything.
Let's get a little history in your teeth. What has been your journey so far?
Okay, well, since I've gotten my adult teeth, you know, when I was a kid, I was never happy with my smile, and I thought for a long time, I'll get veneers, I'll get braces. Well, I had Invisalign, and it didn't really go as planned. I didn't get the exact smile I wanted, so I found Dr. Eric, and he gave me my dream smile. Let me mention the staff too. The staff is so sweet, so nice, and they made sure I was very well taken care of.
Aww.